I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the pressure switches. This is gonna be a remake of it. Basically, this sits up here, this tab, and then this sits into here. This is the connector. So basically, there's a tab here on this side. You just click on the tab, slide this off. Then this connector here sits behind on this bracket, this metal bracket here. There's a tab in the back here in the rear. You just press on that tab in the rear on the bottom and slide this down. And then there's going to be a 10mm bolt here that you take off. That 10mm bolt will take off, and then this will be loose. Then there's another 10 down here on the bottom. But you can't really see, it's right down here. That 10 down there, you use a 10mm wrench to take it off, and that's it. And then this cover will come off, and then this cover will come off. So me, I just push it to the side, cover. So now the cover's to the side. This is the pressure switch here, and there's another pressure switch here. Okay, so what I used is pipe wrench, okay, adjustable wrench, crescent wrench, and basically what you do is you take the connectors off first. This one, as you can see, it just has a tab here on the side. You just click on, just press on this tab here. You just press on it and pull it off. This is the same thing that goes for this one. You press on the tab here and you just pull it off. Then use this wrench, adjust it to the size, and then break it loose so it goes up. And then this one, you do the same thing with the wrench, the adjustable wrench, and then break it loose. Okay, so then after that, you just unscrew the switch. There's going to be a little fluid that comes out. It's not going to be enough to go crazy or panic over or anything like that. It's just a little bit of fluid. Just going to take it out for you guys to show you guys. Take this out. Then you get the new one. You slide this one in. I already replaced it. Then it just screws back in like so. Then you just use the wrench to tighten it down. Just make it snug. Okay, then you take the connector and you connect it back to it here. And that's it. Same thing you do here with the pressure switch. You just unscrew it out once you loosen it. Take the new one, slide the new one in. Alright, like so. And you put the wrench on it. Yeah. And then you just tighten that down. So, then the connector, you plug in, try to get it from this angle so you guys can see more. Slide it on, like so. Wipe down here. And you slide this cover back on. Then you slide this connector back onto the metal piece here. Then you put the other connector that's on the top, put it back in. That's back. Then you take the 10 that you took out from here and put it back in. Put that 10 back in, and then you put the other 10 back in down here on the bottom. You put this other 10 back in here with the wrench. You use one of these to reach to it from the bottom down here, and you tighten that back down, and then put this bolt back in like I said, and then you just put this cover back up that blocks here. Just take this tab out in order to get to it, but when you want to take the tab out, just take this tab out to drop this so you could see the pressure switches and everything on the side. And that's it. That's how simple it is to change your transmission pressure switches, the third and fourth pressure switches, the third and fourth gear pressure switches. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.